So what's going on, guys? Today I have another quick video. In this video I'm going to show you this business opportunity that honestly anyone can really do. You just gotta like working on cars. If you like working on cars and you're looking to open up a business but you don't know where to start, well, take a look at this video. It might probably give you you might probably like it, and it's a really good business. You can make up to $27,000 a month easy, no joke. And I'm gonna show you the numbers. I got so many friends that got tire shops too, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna show you the numbers, and I'm gonna tell you how much you need to really get it going. And so stick around, guys. Let's start with the video, and I hope you guys like it. Hey guys, if you guys like the video, please subscribe to the channel and also let me know what you guys think. And before I start with the video, I just wanted to mention that I have a few other ideas for business. If you guys are interested in getting in something like this and you want to hear more about those ideas, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting those videos in the next few months, and honestly these are very good proven business that are gonna really help you make some money. No joke, guys, no BS. So I'm gonna start with this video now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you how much money you need, at least what you need to start, and then how you're gonna invest that money, and then how you're gonna make that money. And also we're gonna do the math, and then you'll find out why you can make at least 27K every month at least. So first of all, you need $5,000 to start. That's the minimum you need, $5,000, and this is why I'm gonna tell you. So second, you need a garage, right? You need a warehouse, a garage, any place will work. Usually you can rent a place from $800 to $1,500. That's the most you're looking to pay for one of these locations. And second, you're gonna pay monthly close to $200 on the Xcel energy, on the energy. You don't need that much power because everything you need it runs by air, so you'll need an air compressor. I'll show you that. So, and also you need an insurance that is gonna be like $500 every year. So from the $5,000 that you need to start your business, this is what you need. $1,500 is gonna go towards the rent of the location. So after that, you're gonna have $3,500 left, right? So we're gonna use $3,000 to buy tools and machines that you need. You can get all these tools and machines like used. They don't have to be new. You can buy them used. So okay, one of the tools that you need is a machine to balance the tires. You can buy a used one for like $500. I've seen them on Craigslist, on Facebook, or they can go. You can just look around, but you can buy one very affordable price. Also, you need another machine to remove the tires from the rims. Those are cheap too. You can spend like $500-$600 to like up to $1,000. It depends where you look, but I've seen them for like up to $500. Like, remember, used. Don't buy them new. Used. And also you'll need a compressor. You need a compressor, some hose, and some tools. So basically all the money, the $3,000, are gonna go towards the tools that you need, and you only need 2 jacks to start with. So after that, so you already spend $1,500 on the location and $3,000 on the tools. You got all the tools you need, you got the location, and with the other $500, this is what you're gonna do. You are gonna spend $50 buying plugs and the supplies you need to fix flat tires. That's like the cheapest service you're gonna do. So you gotta spend like at least $50. So after that, you got $4,500, right? From the money you got left, we are gonna use $300 to buy used tires. Used tires. You're gonna go like any junkyard in the morning, early in the morning, and try to get the best tires you can get. Usually they go for like $20 at the junkyard, like the used tires, and they all pull out the tires from the rims, so they're ready to go. You just go there and see them and see which ones you like and pick them up and buy them. Spend at least $300 on used tires. So pretty much at this point, you got the location, you got all the tools, you also got some plugs and also some used tires to start. But you can also sell new tires and rims. This is how it works. So once you register your business, you get an ID number, and you can use that to get some suppliers where they can give you credit for the tires, or you can just order the tires as you go. You know, if every customer comes and they want some new tires, well, you just gotta deposit and get the tires. Usually it's a little hassle for the people because they just want to get the tires right away, but that's how you can start. Later you can just bring some to the shop with credit. So also, if you want to sell rims, this is how it works. Once you got your business ID number, you can just contact any supplier, and this is how it works. They'll send you some free display rims. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay a small fee, but they'll send you like 20, 30 display rims that you need for your business. And basically, once you have the display rims, the customers will come to you. They will pre-order the rims, and then you just get the rims later and then charge, and that's how you get a commission. So now let's talk about how can you charge and how you're gonna make your money, how you're gonna make those $27,000 a month. So let's start. All right, first let's talk about the service you will be providing. After I do that, I'm gonna tell you how many customers you will get for each service on average every week, and then we are gonna do the math so you will see how you make those $27,000 at least every month. Let's go. So okay guys, once you got everything and you're ready to go, this is how much you can expect to make every single week minimum, and I'll show you why. So let's talk about the numbers. So first of all, don't forget that you need to register your business on Google Maps, because that's gonna bring so many customers to your location. Don't forget that. So let's go with the numbers. I've got these numbers from my friends. So they have used tire shops, and this is how much they make at least. They make more money than this, but this is the minimum you can make. So every single tire that you get at the junkyard, you're paying $20 for each tire, and you can sell those tires for up to $80. Like I said, they have to be in very good shape. They sell a lot. So I know $80 is a lot of money. I personally don't pay more than $50 for that used tire when I buy them used. But most of the people doesn't even know. Like if you go to the store and you try to buy a new tire, you're gonna spend at least $180. So $80 is not too bad. Actually, it's pretty good compared to spending full price. And not everyone has the money to buy a new tire. Remember that. So you're gonna get customers no matter what. So next. So another service you will also provide is tire transfer. Let me tell you how it works. Let's say you have a car and you buy some new rims and you want to use the tires you have on your car on the new rims. So well, these people come to these locations and get them transferred, and you can charge up to $100 per every single set of tires you transfer. That's crazy, but that's usually how much they charge. Some other places they go up to $150 and $200. That's crazy, but that's easy $100, and it'll take you with the tools and everything up to 45 minutes, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Let's say an hour, but you're making $100 in just 1 hour. Okay, also you're gonna make a commission for every set of rims that you guys sell. So you already registered with this provider and you got customers for them. You can get up to $250 for every set of rims you sell to them, to your customers. So that's pretty good. That's really good. And also, if you are also selling new tires, you can make up to $150 on commissions, and it works the same way, I'm telling you guys. So that's another service you will be providing. Also, another service you will be providing is fixing flat tires, obviously, right? And for every single flat tire that you fix, you can charge up to $25. And pretty much you are only spending like $1 or so for that plug. You got the tools, you got everything, and it's only gonna take you like 10-15 minutes. That's pretty quick. Man, these guys are really quick. And once you do it, once you keep doing it, you get more experience and you get them a lot faster. Also, you can also provide like stretch tires services. And you guys will find out later on if you guys decided to go with this business, but that's the basic. And now we're gonna do the math and tell you how many customers you will get for each service. So alright, let's start with the used tires. This is how many you can expect to sell every week. My friends tell me that they usually sell like 20 to 25 tires every day, but you at least can sell up to 10 every day. On the weekends, you sell like 20 on Saturdays and Sundays. It's when you get more customers. But obviously, let's go with the minimum that you can sell, and it'll be 60 tires every week times $80 each tire. That will give you a profit of $4,800 just on used tires. Remember, you had to buy those tires for $20 before, but you spent already $1,200 to get those tires, and it gives you a total profit of $3,600 once you pay for those used tires. So that's really good every week, right? So now let's talk about the flat tires that you can be expecting to fix every week. Like I said, this is minimum. You can expect to fix at least 30 tires every week, especially on the weekends. Like my friend was telling me that every weekend he gets like 30 to 40 flat tires, like all the time on the weekends. But let's say you only fix 30 tires every week, so 30 times 25, that's a profit of $750, and you expend less than $30, so that's gonna give you a profit of $720 just for the plugs every week. So for tire transfer, like I was telling you, if someone has like new rims and they want to use their their used tires that they have on their car and just transfer those tires to those new rims, you'll be charging $100. And you can easily expect to get at least 10 customers every week doing that service, which is gonna give you $1,000. And here you're only gonna use your tools, you're not gonna spend anything. Also, you're selling rims, right? You're getting commission for every rim that you sell, every set of rims. So you can expect to sell at least 2 sets of rims every week, which is gonna give you $500. These guys are selling a lot more. This is like the minimum that they were making when they first started doing this business. So also remember, you are also selling new tires. On the new tires, you are making up to $150 for each set of tires that you sell. So you can expect to sell at least 6 set of tires, which is gonna give you $900. That's pretty good, and that's the minimum tires you can expect to sell every week. So now let's do the math and add everything up. Remember, you'll be working 6 to 7 days a week at least, right? So on those 7 days, you're gonna make on tires, you're gonna make $3,600 selling used tires just on profit. Also on the plugs, on the flat tires, you're gonna be fixing about 30, and you're gonna make $720. So we are adding pretty much everything. On the tire transfer, you're gonna make about $1,000 every week transferring tires. On the commission for the rims, $500. On the commission for the used tires, it's gonna be only $900 because you're not gonna sell that many new tires there. And all together comes to $6,720 every week. If you multiply that times 4, it's about $26,880. And every single time, your business is gonna start doing better and better. If you have a great customer service, this is the minimum you can expect to make with this business, starting with only $5,000. Hey guys, this is truth. I got these friends that I speak to them all the time, and I already know these numbers, so I just wanted to share these with you guys. This is just a basic video telling you about this business. Probably you never thought about it, and you never really consider this business, but hey, if you like working on cars, why not? You can start making money with this business. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you guys never thought about this business, honestly, these guys make so much money, and like I said, in the future I'm planning to do this business, and I have so many other ideas, proven business people that I talk to. I work on cars, so I know a lot of people that are doing different services, and I speak to them and they tell me their numbers all the time. So I got so many ideas that I want to share with you guys. I'll be sharing that with you guys. Please subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. If you think this video was helpful in some way, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much, and have a good one.